In this video, we can focus on how to allocate menu to the employees. For this, go to Employees, click on Menu Allocation. Menu needed for the employee self-service is allocated from here. Like that, hierarchy or authority level employees menu is allocated from here to view their team members' details. Now, we are discussing how to allocate menu on employees self-service portal. For this, first select an employee. First is My Employee Dashboard. When you select My Employee Dashboard, this employee will be having the power of the admin. That is, he will be in hierarchy level. When you put a tick on All menu, all will be selected to the employee self-service portal. If not needed, you can remove. Next is Leave. When you click on Expand button, options will appear. Two options are there, My Leave Request and Team Leave Request. First is My Leave Request. This is the option for the employee to apply for his leave. If you want to apply, first you have to select My Leave Request. Next is Team Leave Request. Team Leave Request is the option for the hierarchy level employees. To do further action for the team members' leave application, this option is needed. When this option is active only, the hierarchy person can authorize, approve, cancel or reject the team members' leave request. Next is Reports. In this, employee can view their reports only. To see the report options, click on Expand button. First is Salary. In this, the employee can see his cost to the company CTC details. Next is Shift Policy. The shift details created for the employee can see in this if it is active. Next is Leave Details. The leave policies allocated for this employee can view in this. Means you can see the leave-wise rules, leave balance for the year, leave balance for the month and leave taken. Next is Attendance. In this menu, if the menu is active, the employee can view his punch-in details, date, time, in and out, etc. Also, you can see present, absent, half day present, leave, week off, etc. in color indication. Next is Leave Details Report. In this, you can see all the leave details, means leave applied date, leave status, approved, authorized, rejected, etc. Leave type, sick leave, casual leave, etc. Authorized person name, authorized date, approved person name, approved date, leave reason, duties handover to, leave dates, leave day count. All this we can see in this option. Next is Holiday Calendar. In this, you can see the holiday list created by the admin. Next is Salary Slip Reports. In this, the employee can view the month-wise salary details. Next is Compensatory Off. In this, employee can view their compensatory off details. We have already discussed the rules and settings of compensatory off in shift policy video. Next is Attendance Register. In this, employee can view the month-wise attendance details, check in and out, date and time, daily working duration, etc. Next is Loan. In this, employee can view his loan details. We have already discussed how to allocate loan to an employee. If you want to view the needed report, put a tick here. If you want to minimize the menu, click here. Next is Employee Attendance. First is Hierarchical Edit Punch. This is to edit the team members' attendance in and out details. We have already discussed how to edit punch details. Hierarchical edit punches is aim as admin side edit attendance. Hierarchical register is aim as admin side verify attendance. OT attendance register is same as admin side verify overtime and attendance same as admin side timesheet. The rules and working of this is already discussed in previous video. These four options are for hierarchical or authority persons, not for normal employees. Next is Edit Attendance. This Edit Attendance is for employees only. This is for editing attendance direction of employees, means in and out only. They can't edit date, time, location, total duration, etc. We have already discussed how to edit attendance in previous video. All the option in the video is not available for the employees. Only direction option is available to edit. Next is employee setup. In this, we can add new joining employee details. Here, we are doing the same work as in add employee form. We have already discussed this in add employee video. When adding employee from employee portal, the employees will come automatically under that employee. So, he will be the superior of the new added employees. Next is team report option. In this, first option is salary reports. In this, superior can view team members' standard salary, actual salary, net salary details, CTC, etc. Next is statutory reports. Statutory report means the submission of financial and non-financial information to a government agency. In this, superior can view employees' PF, ESI, professional tax, etc. Next is HR report. In this, superior can view added employee details in bulk, branch-wise, etc. Next, attendance report. In this, superior can view team members' attendance details like employees' attendance date, time, location, day-wise duration, overtime details, etc. Next, edited attendance. In this, superior can view the edited attendance details. Next, location updates. If the allocated employees tracking access is enabled, the superior can view the location updates through map. In employee access video, we have discussed how to enable tracking access. Next is leave report. In this, superior can view employees leave balance, leave taken details, compensatory off details, etc. Next, asset reports. If company asset is allocated to the employee, the superior can view in this like asset condition, asset value, asset name, etc. Next, resignation reports. In this, superior can view resignation details of the resigned employees. Next, loan reports. If company is provided loan for the employee, the superior can view the details in this like value of the loan, the amount paid, EMI period, EMI start month, end month, etc. Next, expense report. Employees' business related expense detail can view in this like expense purpose, expense date, expense amount, expense approval person, etc. Next is advance report. If the company has given salary advance to an employee, that can view in this asset allocation, resignation work, loan allocation, expense booking, employee advance booking. These all we have already discussed in previous video. Next is upload. Employee CTC upload, attendance upload, leave upload, employee loan allocation, employee advance. These all we have already discussed in details in previous video. By allocating this menu options, superior will be having the same working procedure as in admin as seen in the previous video. Next is payroll. How to process and approve the payroll has already shown in previous video. Admin work can also allocate in employee self-service portal by hierarchy person. Next is resignation. Two options are there for resignation. Employees request. If the employee's request is active only, employees can send their resignation request to their hierarchy. Next is resignation request. This is for hierarchy person. This is to take further action of employee's resignation request. Next is settings. This option is applicable for all employees of the company. The content in setting is login employee profile details. In this, employee can set his profile picture. The details given in add employee will come in profile details. If you want, you can edit basic details except date of birth and employee company information. In this, we can add personal details, can reset password, etc. Next is leave encashment. We have already discussed leave encashment in leave policy video. Two options are there for this. First is my encashment request. If company is having leave encashment process, the employee can encash his leave like earned leave, privileged leave, etc. By activating my encashment, employees can request leave encashment to the authority person for their leave balance. Next, approve encashment request. Approve encashment request is for hierarchy person. The leave encashment requested by the employee can be approved by the hierarchy person by activating this option. Next is employee expenses. Two options are there for employee expenses. Expense request. Employees' business related expenses can be requested through this to the authority person by activating this. Next is manage expenses. Manage expenses for approving or rejecting employees' expense request. Next is promotion. By activating this, authority person can approve promotion for the employees. We have already discussed in add employee video how to do promotion works. According to the employee's working level, admin can activate corresponding menus to their service portal. Thank you.